There's a wire loose here or something. That's been the problem this entire. Tell me. We need the hot glue gun.
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna go back in. Figured the wire's jammed, paper jam or something in here. Needs a
rotor girder.
Yeah, this just needs to be reconnected there.
Yeah.
You got some paper? We'll test this out. Yeah. Just put this set in there.
Good, very good. Okay.
I'll probably work. Give it 24 hours to breathe.
Did you need that piece?
Ooh, that's mildly important. I mean, put that back in, bend that back into place. Alright, maybe just a firm, just to make it cohesive. I think that should do it.
One more for good measure.
I think this should be running. Hold on, yeah. Just gonna. There we go. That should be fine. That's your problem right there.
That's the issue.
The ink wasn't getting to the capacitor.
Right.
It opened up that hole.
This is
that should be fine. Yeah, that's. Toshiba sometimes adds extra parts unnecessarily.
This has been a tutorial on how to repair the Toshiba 2540 with the Warehousemen, John and Joel.